Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis. I think this is now my third day in a row, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And I just want to quickly go over this chart kind of one more time to get things pretty black and white, because at this point, things are very black and white, both from a resistance and a support standpoint. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that for now because, yeah, it pertains, but it's not really relevant. So from a very black and white perspective, the level of support going forward is very clearly right here at the 22-cent mark, or slightly below it. But you can see several times here the bears have tried to press down through it, and to give credit where credit's due, the bulls have been doing a good job of holding strong. So there's no doubt about it. Right down there at the green line is where the buyers are currently residing, aka why it's a level of support. On the flip side of things, the level of resistance has now become very, very apparent, and that level of resistance is all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Ever since the price fell below it right there, you can see the price actually did try to get back up above it quickly, and that failed. And then you fast forward to more recent times, and you can see the price keeps getting rejected by that purple line. So in all actuality, to really summarize the chart as it stands right now, and again, that very black and white perspective, the price is in a channel pattern, bottom of the channel right down there around 22 cents, give or take, top of the channel up there at that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. And until something happens, there's really not much else to say. How am I defining something happening? Well, it would either be a breakout to the upside of the channel or a breakdown to the downside of the channel. But until then, it's really just sideways price action and not much else can be said. So yeah, we'll see what happens with it. Grab some popcorn and sit back, and we'll see who can win out on this battle. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.